I've lost count of the amount of people that I've spoken to that run a lot and they also have incredibly painful knees. You might think this is just an inconvenient truth because of all the repeated impact that your knees are getting on the ground as you run. It just can't be helped, but that's not true. There are a few exercises that will get rid of your knee pain more often than not, unless there's something structurally wrong, of course. But here, have a look at these. So the first one is the 45-degree knees over toes squat. So we used to train this in two ways. Now I see a lot of people training it just standard as a standard squat, knees go over toes. That's great. But we used to always add in the alternating circles with the knees as well. This just sort of conditions your knees to a different range of motion. It sort of injury proofs them from any unexpected jerks or twists that may happen. Next up is the classic exercise. It's the Peterson step. Be wary of lifting the heel off from the beginning of the movement. Try and go as far into dorsiflexion as you can before the heel even thinks about coming off. If you can get to the ground, that's great, but just leave it as long as possible, again, before that heel moves. And last but not least, we're going to do some tib raises, tibialis raises. So a lot of people have really weak muscles at the front of their shins, hence, shin splints, things like that. But that can also affect the knee. So we're going to sort of prehab this. We're going to get in there before it starts, hopefully. We're going to lean up against the wall, step out about 30 to 40 centimeters, and you're going to lean upright against the wall to start with. And you're just going to, with legs nice and straight, raise your toes to your kneecaps. And then you're going to bend forward and do the same thing. Raise your toes to your kneecaps. I would do 20 in each position, so 20 upright and 20 lean forward, and you will get a really good pump on the front of your shins. If I see a runner that has pain in their knees, these are generally 3 of my go-to exercises to try and remedy that. And more often than not, it takes a couple of weeks of doing these and they're running like they've never ran before. They're running pain-free and they're enjoying it again.